Hello everyone, welcome again. Let's talk about the strings in Python. This is very important topic. Academic questions और interview questions strings पे बहुत पूछे जाते हैं, so इसको ध्यान से करना. String को हम डबल कोट, सिंगल कोट, ट्रिपल डबल कोट्स और ट्रिपल सिंगल कोट्स तीनों चीज़ों से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. So as you can see, I am using here double quotes to represent hello, single quotes and here triple double quotes and triple single quotes. So इसमें कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. आपको स्ट्रिंग को किसी भी तरह के कोट्स में रिप्रेजेंट करना है, तो ही वो स्ट्रिंग की तरह बिहेव करेगा. Okay, got it? This is simple. Then strings are arrays. If we are using hello world in string, how can we get each alphabet? So we can access each alphabet like this: A of 1, A of 5, A of 6, anything like that. But I hope you got understand from A of 1 we are getting E. So the range of this string starts from the 0 to end value, 0 to end value. So if you print A of 9, you will get A of 9 will be R, A of 5 will be comma. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6. Space is also included. Space, index of space is 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, similarly you can use A of minus 1. So you will see the minus 1 starts from the end. So minus 1 represent exclamation sign. The end word starts from the minus 1 index. So if you go towards the start, so you can see minus 3 is L. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 is L. Okay. Last index start, if we want to start from the last index, then we need to use minus. If we want to start from the starting index, then we need to use 0. If we print A of 0, so you can see the A of 0 is H. Okay. Then here we are using loop for x in apple. Print x. This will print all the characters that are in apple. So let's comment this. Let's comment this. Print values up to here and only print this. Comment this also. So you can see A, P, P, L, E. All characters in apple word. Okay. If we want to check the length of, x, let's comment this. Okay, length of x को तो बाहर ही प्रिंट करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज हमें एप्पल में जानना है कितने वर्ड्स हैं, तो लूप में नहीं लगाएंगे. ओके, सो यू कैन सी इट विल गिव 1 ओनली बिकॉज एक एक करके लूप में पिक होता है. ए पहले पिक हुआ, देन पी, देन एल, देन ई. बट इफ वी आर यूजिंग दिस लेंथ फंक्शन here we are using a is equals to hello world and print length of a. This shows 13 characters. 13 characters are included in a variable. So we can see here print of length a is 13. Let's comment this and comment this. Okay, let's comment this also. This is 13. Indentation is very important. For example, if you are doing this, this will show you in red color. So this is wrong. For the proper indentation, you can simply go after the semicolon. Then if you, indentation is very important. So print x. This is right. Okay. Okay, moving on. Here we have example. Text is equals to the, in quotes we are having a sentence. So let's check free word text variable में है या नहीं है. इसका true और false में आंसर आएगा. We are using in keyword here to check free word is present in text variable or not. Let's check this. This is true. If we print ABC in text, false. Okay. Likewise, you can check any of the word that is present in your text or not, in text variable or not. You need to use in keyword to check this. Moving on, next example. If we have text is equals to this sentence and if we want to check free word is present in text, okay, we can do like this also. If free in text, we are putting condition here. If free in text, print yes, free is present. Okay, so yes, free is present. Next example, text is having this sentence. and we are printing expensive not in text. Not in keyword is used to show if expensive is not present, मतलब कि expensive word अगर present नहीं है text में तो ये true देगा. Let's check. This is showing true. Not in word यूज कर लिया ना तो ये शो करता है कि expensive word present नहीं है. Not in text तो true आएगा, अगर in यूज करेंगे तो false आएगा. क्लियर है नॉट इन एंड इन के बीच में डिफरेंस. इन अगर हम यहाँ पे यूज करेंगे सपोज तो वो फॉल्स देगा इसका आंसर, बिकॉज इसमें नहीं है. वी आर यूजिंग हियर राइट कीवर्ड नॉट इन. सो एक्सपेंसिव इन टेक्स्ट नो, एक्सपेंसिव नॉट इन टेक्स्ट दैट इज ट्रू. Okay, similarly we can put condition also. If expensive not in text then print no, expensive is not present there. Okay, so let's run this so you can check no, expensive is not present. That's all for the strings or arrays. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.